gentlemen, welcome to Washington, D.C. Dulles, where the local time is 8:58, 2 minutes to 9 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phone and tablet. If you are sitting in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we will be handing you off to our airport team.